Go.
Hi, I'm Ann, and this is Kai Dragon Media, the gardening and cooking channel. And today we're going to talk about tomato plants. And of course, this is our shelf gardening area. These shelves were built over 25 years ago by Kai's stepfather, and I used them a lot for craft shows, and they've been outside in garden areas at home and stuff, and we brought them here for his garden because it has become massive. So we've put a lot of our spice plants and things that are kind of invasive, like the spearmint and other mint plants and things that would take over if you put them in a garden bed, into pots. Anyway, we have some tomatoes that are starting to do very well in these pots, but they need some trimming. They have some bad leaves, and so I'm going to trim off some of the bad area on these tomatoes. I'm going to show you how to do that. This little guy right here is going to have, as you can tell, maybe you can see, it has little small tomatoes on it, but it does have a couple bad leaves. And I usually try and take the leaves off towards the bottom because we really don't need it. So we're just going to trim a few of these. And you want to have a pretty good set of shears, some type of little garden shears. And these little end ones that are coming out, they call them suckers. You really don't need them on the plant. They're going to make another plant sprout out this way, but it takes away from your main plant. But you kind of want to keep the bad spot off of here as much as you can. This one back here has a lot of flowers, no tomatoes yet. Well, I take that back. There's one hidden there. But as you can tell, the leaves are touching the ground here. So we're going to chop those off, and that way the plant has more room to grow upwards. Now you can do tomatoes in pots, you can do them in raised garden beds, you can put them right in the ground, whatever your soil is. Some people test their soil. It's always a good idea to test it, especially if you're waiting on something to grow and nothing's happening. We'll keep this short and sweet, but we wanted you to know how to do that. I have several of them that I'm going to do. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below on the video so Kai can go back and answer them for you. Have a great day.